Hello and welcome to your Minute with Marla. I want to share this tip with you that I discovered was such a great idea, if I say so myself. My husband and I recently went to Ireland and I love postcards. So what did I do? I bought enough postcards from every place that we went and I put them on this ring. I punched a little hole and put them on this ring, and on the back of the postcard I wrote down where we went and what we did. I also put tickets that we received from the different places that we visited. And we visited some of the most beautiful places, and not every postcard has a little bit of written on the back, but oh my goodness, y'all, we had such a good time, and every place we went, the people were so friendly, and every time I look at these postcards and I just thumb through, and you can see there's a little bit written here as well. I'm trying to get my postcard in there for you to see. This way I can keep up with where we went, what we did, and when we got back, it was so nice to be able to show people where we went and what we did. So I hope this little tip is useful to you. I'm going to try to just keep up with some postcards of just the things that I do around here this summer, just to have a nice memory of the things that we do. So I hope this helps you. I'd love to hear your comments about where you're going and how this little tip may help you. Happy organizing, y'all.